Understanding, let's cool our heads. A guide to staying calm. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that's quite handy in emotional or tense situations. Let's cool our heads. If you've ever wondered what it means or when to use it, you're in the right place. This video is going to break down the phrase, its meaning, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, "let's cool our heads," is a call for calmness and rational thinking during a heated or emotional moment. When someone says this, they're suggesting that everyone involved should take a moment to calm down, step back from the situation, and approach it with a clearer, more composed mindset. It's often used in arguments or discussions that are becoming too emotional or confrontational. Why is it important to cool our heads? First, it helps in preventing conflicts from escalating. When emotions run high, we're more likely to say or do things we might regret later. Taking a moment to calm down can save relationships and prevent unnecessary fallout. Secondly, it allows for better decision-making. Decisions made in the heat of the moment are often not well thought out. Cooling down can lead to more rational and constructive solutions. You can use "let's cool our heads" in various situations, from personal arguments to professional disagreements. Here are a few examples. In personal relationships, when an argument with a friend or family member becomes too heated, suggesting to cool our heads can prevent hurtful words and help resolve the issue more amicably. At work, during a tense meeting where opinions clash, using the phrase can help refocus the discussion on finding a solution rather than winning an argument. In negotiations, when negotiations reach a stalemate due to high tensions, proposing to take a break and cool off can pave the way for more productive discussions later. Understanding and using the phrase, "let's cool our heads," can be incredibly beneficial in maintaining harmony and making wise decisions in tense situations. It's a simple yet powerful tool in your communication toolkit. We hope this video helps you navigate your conversations more smoothly and effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to cool your head next time things heat up.